Hi there, my name's Pete. I'm going to give you a quick tour of TradingLounge and what it's all about, which I believe is the best valued Elliott Wave service on the market, and simply because with our service, which is 69 US dollars, which is in terms of other Elliott Wave services out there, one of the cheapest. But within that, you also get access to 6 Elliott Wave analysts putting out information every day. So with most other Elliott Wave services, you'll be paying for either Forex charts or Indices charts or this or that. So you get a huge amount of content every day from TradingLounge. So in terms of value, I believe that TradingLounge is the best for value. Now, these are our sections that we cover here at the moment, and you can also just access those through the dashboard, so you can set up your own dashboard here and work out what's important for you in this particular instance. If you want to have a look at today's work, then you can have a look directly from the dashboard here, and also daily charts here as well for those. And if you're way down here in Australia and you want to have a look at a particular chart that was put out for today, so we've got the daily chart here and the weekly chart here. So with Australia, we're covering the top 50 charts. We also cover the indices as well. So we've got commodity. These are all today's charts in here, right? But you can also just access a bigger selection of charts from this menu here, if you want to go back to yesterday and the day before, those sorts of things. So we cover Forex charts, crypto charts, commodity video, indice video every day, tech stocks video. That's just the top half a dozen tech stocks, which you do a fair bit of sort of day trading on those in terms of holding a position overnight, or short-term swing trading. Sector charts, US charts, commodity charts, and we cover with the commodities here. We cover most a good selection of grains, softs, and energy, and so forth. And the commodities video also looks at dollar, bonds, yields, and gold as well there as well. So the video is good for actually learning certain things. Okay, so when we come over to our next item here, which will be stock check, crypto check, forex check, and commodity check, these are portfolios where we put out trades. So if we go to stock check here, then you'll see a dashboard like this here. Now, you can set up portfolios in here and just trade calculators and stock screeners and all these sorts of functionalities in here. If you just want the trades, though, you can just come and just click here straight away. These are pending trades here for the US market. These are open trades for this particular portfolio in here, and you've got different sort of functionality within here as well. You can check on the chart that we put out for that, or you can have a look at a viewer chart, say on Microsoft here, and you can go to a more professional chart up at this end here. There is other functionality in here as well for all of these, and you can look at the cash flow and news and balance sheets and all those sorts of things with that as well. So these are, and you can open and close your trades within this space here. So the stock check, this stock check here is the same as the crypto, forex, and commodity check here. We have a chat module. So chat module is really good for folks that want to. We've got one for indices, Australian stocks, US stocks, commodities, all these sorts of things here. So you can get involved in talking to, asking questions, and we can analyze charts for you and those sorts of things. So you can communicate to other people in here. You can communicate to them privately or openly, all of those sorts of things. We like to get as much help as possible in all of this. That's the chat. In the tools area here, we've got some charting program in here, We've got a trade game in here. The trade game is really just to help you learn to day trade. So you can go, you've got some capital, you can go long or short. If you're going to go long here, you can drop the stop here. If you want to go short, you can go this way with it and set it up here and play a new game and get some leverage and all those sorts of things in there as well. And further down here in the tools here, we've got I won't go into the chat GPT. Everybody knows what GPT is now, but we're going to put that into our new trading program. This is just the TradingLevels here for TradingView and our education here as well in terms of learning. There's different modules you can go through here. We've got one of the best Elliott Wave courses here that you can help yourself through as well with all of these. And what else have we got here? So that pretty much sort of wraps up those sort of things. We are working on our own Elliott Wave algorithm here, so you know it's very helpful to, if you wanted to you know, allow the algo to do some counting. I'm just counting between these two waves here, so it's actually given me 3 different options here, but I can see the first one here is quite good with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. And if I wanted to do this one here, I can click on here and look at the smaller part of that particular structure there. I can extend the whole thing higher. If I wanted to look into this particular structure here, I can look into this one here, and it's giving me 17 different ways that I could count this. Now we could set it at 1, like many companies set their algos at, you know, just doing 1, but I think it's important to actually explore and to see what's what, because you might go, well, how did they count this one here? You know, what is that correct in here? How many different ways can that be counted? It can only be counted one way in this particular situation here for this. And anyway, this is something that we're working on, and this will be for US stocks to start with, and should be ready soonish. And we'll put the chat GPT into this particular program, and you'll have access to this. So, okay, in a bit of a nutshell, I hope you enjoyed the very quick tour of what TradingLounge has to offer. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.